So I'm down my local model flying club, and this is the type of thing I like filming, because I come down here and you can almost guarantee there's going to be something different I haven't seen before. And this is an amazing F3A model that is owned by Roy, who's a member of our club. Roy, hello.
Hi there.
So tell us about this, what, CUANTIC?
CUANTIC.
CUANTIC.
Indeed.
So you were just telling me this, nobody sells this in the UK. This is all the way from Argentina.
Yeah, I bought it from Argentina. Shipped from there. Took about 4 months to get here.
I'm not surprised.
But here we are. It's worth it.
And it's an F3A is your thing, is it? Is it this the favourite thing you like doing?
It is.
All right, and the F3A is, in my mind, it's all about, I know we all fly our models down here and we do loops and rolls and bunts, all that type of stuff, but F3A is all about precision.
Yeah, it's flying
aerobatics.
schedules.
Oh, as well, schedules.
Schedules, that's right. Patterns in the air.
Okay, so linking up all the different moves.
That's correct.
Fantastic. So could you get the kit, and then what have you got inside it in terms of a power setup?
Well, the power setup is optional to yourself, and I've got a Hacker motor in there.
A Hacker?
Q80.
A what, sorry?
A Hacker Q80.
Q80.
That's correct.
And how many cells?
It's 10 cells.
It's a 10S
10S.
setup.
That's correct.
Fantastic. All right, looking forward to watching it fly. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
So do you fly a schedule down here, Roy, or do you just practice individual moves?
Just individual manoeuvres at the moment.
Right, okay. I can see why you enjoy flying that, Roy.
I really do enjoy it, yes.
Precision, it's a precision animal, isn't it?
I love it, I really do.
Well flown, I enjoyed watching that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.